How to put other story on my story without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can put other story on my story without mention, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Instagram application here, if you are mentioned in a certain story, when you just come here, you'll basically find a little tab that it says this person added you or mentioned you in the story, and then you can directly add that to your own story. But if you are not mentioned, unfortunately there is no way to add it directly, but one thing that you can still try to do is to simply try to take a screenshot. So you can open up that particular, let's say, video or a photo, then now you can just go ahead and take a screenshot. After you take that screenshot, you can tap the plus bar here, you can select that particular screenshot whether or not you wish to crop them, then you can choose to tag that person in return. Unfortunately, that is the only way we can directly share that story, but we can of course take a screenshot or a screen recording and then add it manually. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.